silent sky. People who once cared about me now look at me with suspicion. My name is falling into the hands of stories that were never even true. Everything changed so quickly, only because of cruel accusations. I tried to explain myself, but no one wanted to listen. The truth lost against their words, and slowly I was falling apart. I never did those things, but everyone has already judged me. They walk away, they hate me, as if I deserve to be heard. Who would ever believe me when slander is louder than my voice? God, if I am truly guilty, then let me accept it all. But if I'm not, why is my life this broken? Mother cried quietly that night, watching me lose my way. Father stayed silent without a word, holding disappointment no one could explain. Friends who once stood beside me are now gone without reason. No hands were there to hold me when I fell the deepest. There were times I wanted to disappear, to leave without a trace, because I was tired of being a person who keeps getting blamed for no reason. But within the little prayer I still have, I continue to believe the truth may come late, but it will not disappear forever. I never did those things, but everyone has already judged me. They walk away, they hate me, as if I deserve to be heard. Who would ever believe me when slander is louder than my voice? God, hold me tonight, because this heart is hurting too much to keep pretending to be strong. If someday the truth is revealed, don't ask why I've changed, because the